Okay, tell me, this doesn't look like it owns the valet lane. This is 2026 BMW X7 M60i xDrive, a luxury lounge that feels like it belongs next to Max Verstappen on the Formula 1 grid. And if you think, I need this in my life, you can find this listed for sale on Dubai Cars. It's time to rearrange your parking space. Let's start with the face. Illuminated kidney grille, VIP entry, no questions asked. The split headlights add that modern BMW signature look. Clean, classy, and impossible to miss. From the side, the X7 looks long, wide, and solid. This is a big SUV with serious presence. Also, these big 23-inch wheels, these are X7's designer sneakers. And at the back, the 40M exhaust. Let's hear it flex. Welcome to the cabin, also known as my new favorite place to exist. You get a large curved display that looks clean and modern. The seats are proper first class, so you can arrive at the dinner feeling fresh, not folded. Chillax is not just a word in this SUV. It keeps you cool wherever you are. It's a real 3-row SUV. No compromise in space, just comfort. I can fit shopping bags, strollers, a weekend in Ras Al Khaimah, and still have a room for holiday thoughts. Hey BMW!
Hello.
What's the weather like?
Currently it is sunny in Abu Dhabi with a temperature of 27 degrees.
You can actually talk to this car to operate some functions. You get the Tony Stark feel. Hello BMW? Open the sunroof.
I will open the sunroof.
And that's not everything. Its suspension adapts based on how and where you are driving. Safety-wise, it's the latest in autonomous. This car is always looking out for you, even when you are distracted by the skyline. The BMW X7 is all about two things, luxury and power. This one that I have here is the top-spec M60i version and is ready for the track on those boring days. The 4.4-liter V8 engine pumps out 530 horsepower and 750 Nm. Paired to the 8-speed gearbox that feels silky when you are cruising and sharper when you are next to Max. And because it's xDrive all-wheel drive, it's confident on highways and those let's take the long ways moments. The air suspension encourages taking longer ways because it smooths out the rough roads and the steering feels surprisingly light for something big like that. The X7 M60i is luxury without being boring, performance without being loud, and comfort without compromise. Make space in your garage and buy this 2026 BMW X7 M60i xDrive listed on Dubai Cars. Like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. I'm going to do one more lap for research. Definitely for research.